We're here at Bolt Farm in Whitwell, Tennessee at one of their brand new honeymoon tree houses that sits on a cliffside that has a breathtaking mountain view. This property is absolutely gorgeous, and they have created an experience really special and unlike any other.
Totally.
With a full service check-in, people on site to help you. It really feels like a resort. And the property itself is beautiful. There's multiple honeymoon tree houses, there's domes and also mirror cabins. Lots of hiking trails up here, and so it really is a serene getaway, perfect for disconnecting so that you can reconnect and have some time with your spouse or a loved one.
I truly believe Bolt Farm knows how to do luxury right. Amenities that are outside include a fire pit, a swing, and then you can walk up some steps onto their top deck, which has another little set of chairs, hot tub, and then my favorite pieces are this little lion waterfall and then the outdoor shower. They have 2 shower heads and this beautiful frosted glass that has their logo etched into it. It is stunning. And then right next to it is a grill and pizza oven that we will get to use a little bit later.
It may not seem like much, but those 2 chairs that sit on the porch are actually the best porch chairs
Yes.
that we have ever seen. Every time we go to an Airbnb, we sit down in the chairs on the deck and the handrail is literally right in front of our eyes. But they are intentional in getting chairs that actually put you above the handrails so that you can sit and enjoy every bit of this 180-degree view that is absolutely stunning. So if you're an Airbnb host that has an incredible view, get some chairs like these because
They're perfect.
It's perfect.
Their attention to detail is impeccable and it continues on inside, so let's go check it out.
If you're a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb that you want us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, as we've got new videos coming out every week. And we'd love to hear from you, so comment down below.
Walking inside, it opens up into this beautiful, luxurious treehouse retreat that has so many little fun details that I won't even be able to mention them all, but we'll start off with the comfortable king bed that has this very princess feel to it with the headboard and these tiled mirrors that go up behind it, making it feel very grand, and there's some fun details on the bedside table, so that's super fun. And then to top it off, above the bed, you've got this stunning chandelier. They have this perfect little kitchen right across from the bed that is stocked with a microwave, stovetop, sink, little retro fridge, and floating shelves with some more beautiful touches on them. On the other side of the bed, you've got my favorite part in here. It is this large bronze tub that I can just imagine relaxing in with a bubble bath. I am truly in love with this place.
All across the front of this tree house are floor-to-ceiling windows to let in all that natural light and enjoy this breathtaking view. Right down in front of the windows, there's a gas fireplace, perfect for heating this place up. Next to that is a record player, and when we arrived, they actually had some music playing as we came in to really set the mood when you get here. Next to that is a table, and on top of that is the Bolt Farm VIP package, which really helps to elevate the experience while you're here. It includes a full s'mores kit, 2 custom Bolt Farm Yeti mugs, a bottle of wine, and then in the fridge is actually a full pizza kit to make your own pizza in the pizza oven out on the deck.
We highly, highly recommend adding on the package to your stay.
Another very sweet thing is they actually left us a little welcome gift on the kitchen counter, which we're always thankful for when we come and stay with hosts. And finally, a really neat piece is they actually have electronic shades that come down over all the windows to really darken it in here.
By the click of a button, no less.
Very easy. And then with another click of a button, you've got a projector screen that comes down with a super high quality picture. Very impressed by it. And they have great Wi-Fi here, so you can stream anything that you want. And we're probably gonna do a little movie in bed tonight.
Totally. Also, we require a lot of internet when working during our stays, and so it has worked perfectly. Continuing on, in the back portion of the treehouse, you have this beautiful pink, like lounge, relaxing princess chair and a mural behind it, perfect for relaxing and taking a little photo op. They also have a vintage vanity with some vintage touches with a matching wardrobe behind it that has your full-length mirrors on the front. Last thing is the bathroom that is so large for this treehouse. They've got it tiled floor to ceiling, heated floors to keep your toes nice and warm, and then a basically wet bath shower that's open to the vanity.
If you want to book a stay here at Bolt Farm, not only do they have these beautiful honeymoon tree houses, but they have domes and mirror cabins as well. The property is stunning. We'll leave a link in the description below to book your stay. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below your favorite part of this tree house.
Ready for this dough?
I'm ready. I think so, I don't know. Our last real dough pizza oven experience did not go so well.
They'd be like little chefs.
That's true. It's not stretching as much as I thought. We definitely got some black edges.
We got to chatting and
I think I also made it a little too hot.
we'll be pros at this one day.
One day.
Ooh, there it goes. That is great dough.
It is.
And sauce.
The edges kind of a little bit cooked. The rest of it is cooked perfect. It is so good.
I'm so glad they have this package because we can cook together and eat together.
It's very romantic.
It is. I love it. It's such a chilly night that you can see my breath, which means it's perfect for a fire and a treat. So good.
Ooh, that is perfect.
It is.
All the way around, baby. It's already hot.
Hot. The sun is going down, and before it gets totally dark, we want to go hop in the hot tub. So, you want to go do that?
Yeah.
So much fun.
It is cold outside.
Could have stayed toasty in that hot tub all night.
Oh yeah. So we're going to watch a relatively new movie called 65 with Adam Driver. We've kind of, or at least I've kind of wanted to see this. So I think it's going to be interesting.
Okay. All right. Most a perfect morning to slip into this tub and relax with a view. So let's get to it.
We absolutely loved our stay here in the honeymoon treehouse at Bolt Farm. If you want to book a stay here, we'll leave a link in the description below. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below your favorite part.